life on a plantation as a planter starts early. Back in the day, it used to start with us waking up and having a cup of bed tea. So that's how we do it even today at Tea Trails. Well, tea is more complex than you think. So the stages that the leaves must go through to end up with a cup of tea, we start with withering, then there's rolling and fermenting, drying, grading, and packing. When I do the tour with our guests, they say they will never drink a cup of tea the same again. In a factory, we taste teas to assess the quality of the product. We like to look at the leaf, the infusion, also then we look at cup color. The last thing is to taste the teas, of course. The proof of the pudding is in the eating, but in this case it's in the drinking. You know, especially during the time of the pioneers, the tiffin wala from the bungalow, he would bring his tiffin carrier with your lunch. Well, at Tea Trails, we give our guests a similar experience, which is called the planter's lunch. We prepare lunches in tiffin carriers and serve these to our guests out in the field. High tea at Tea Trails is a special experience that is given to our guests. So high tea is served with a kind of a mild tea, I would say. We call it an afternoon sipping tea. So this being Tea Trails, our chefs are trained to incorporate tea into various menus and kinds of foods that they produce. So it's a kind of a pairing of tea with food that is done here. Tea is more than just a drink here, it's a way of life.